Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I am Abid Rida Babil, your chemistry teacher. We were learning the chapter of gases. This is the lesson number 3 about the density and the molar mass of gases. The relationship between the density of gases and molar mass is represented by this equation. Density is equal to mp over RT. Here P is pressure, m is the molar mass, you can calculate from periodic table also, and R is gas constant. You must remember that 0.0821 liter atmosphere per mole Kelvin. T is the temperature in absolute or Kelvin. So this equation is derived from the two fundamental equations. The definition of density is equal to mass per unit volume, and PV is equal to nRT, that is ideal gas equation. You don't need to derive this relationship here, but just to know that this is the final relationship between the density and the molar mass. And if you want to calculate molar mass, you have to change the equation just simply, so it will be molar mass is equal to dRT upon P. So you have to remember careful about the units and relationship equations, and then you can calculate the density and the molar mass. So in this question we will calculate the density. So he is asking here the density is equal to your question and carbon dioxide. So carbon plus 2 oxygen, carbon dioxide, you have to calculate the molar mass. Carbon is 12 and oxygen is 16 multiplied by this 2, so this become 32, so total will be 44. This from the periodic table. Molar mass is 44 and pressure is 0.99 atmosphere and temperature is 55 degrees centigrade. You have to convert to Kelvin, so plus 273 is equal to 328 Kelvin. So then the formula will be density is equal to mp over RT. So molar mass 44, pressure is 0.9 and gas constant is 0.0821 multiply by temperature is 328. So answer will be 1.62 gram per liter. Okay, now in this equation again he is asking the density. This is question of uranium, this one uranium hexafluoride. So we have to say uranium plus 6 fluorine. So uranium, the molar mass is 238, I think. Yeah, mass is 238. Yes, so this is 238 and plus fluorine is 19, but 6 atoms of fluorine are there, so multiply by 6, so total will be equal to 352. And here the pressure is given 779 millimeter mercury. So we have to convert it to our atmosphere, so we have to divide it by 760 same millimeter mercury. So this will become 1.02 atmosphere, 1.02 atmosphere. And the temperature, let me write here, temperature is 62. So 62 degrees centigrade convert into Kelvin at 273. So this will be equal to 335. So this is the data, and now we can solve the problem. So density is equal to mp over RT. Molar mass we calculated 352. Pressure is 1.02. So you see here we change the units of pressure from millimeter to atmosphere and temperature from Celsius to Kelvin. So gas constant, because we are using gas constant, 0.0821 multiplied by temperature is 335. So your answer will be actually 13.05 by calculator, and then when you make it round, so this will be equal to 13.1 and give the units gram per liter. So by rounding, this answer will be 13.1. So another question here, this is a chemist has synthesized a greenish yellow gaseous compound of chlorine and oxygen. Find the density and find the density is 7.71. So density is given here. Density is equal to 7.71 gram per liter, and temperature is 36 degrees centigrade. You add 273 is equal to 309. Kelvin, and then pressure is 2.88 atmosphere. There is already atmosphere, so no need to change. So here we have to calculate the molar mass. Yeah, molar mass is your question. So the formula for the molar mass will be molar mass is equal to dRT upon P. So density here is 7.71 multiplied by gas constant 0.0821 multiplied by temperature 309 divided by pressure 2.88. So answer will be here 67.9, because this is molar mass, so it will be gram per mole. So this formula we derive from the same formula. So density is equal to mp over RT. So when you want to calculate the molar mass, so this will change to this condition. And here he is asking calculate the molar mass part 1 and molar mass, and here this is the end, determine its molecular formula. So we don't know how much chlorine and how much oxygen is there to multiply there. So molecular formula we don't know. This is two gases are there, chlorine and oxygen. So we don't know how many chlorine here, how many oxygen here, but by estimation the chlorine is 35.5 from the periodic table, plus oxygen is 16. But if you make the 16 here, it will be the less than this number. So you have to multiply this by 2. So this become 32. So this will be equal to 67.5, and that is approximately equal to this answer. So you have to try this. Suppose you say Cl plus O, the answer will be small. Then you try Cl2 plus O, then again answer will be big. So this estimation wrong and this estimation is wrong, but this ClO2 is the nearest number, so we can say this formula will be ClO2. So now in this next question, again is the density is given. So density is 3.38 gram per liter, temperature 40 Celsius plus 273 is equal to 313, and pressure is 1.97. Yeah, pressure is equal to 1.97. Directly it is atmosphere, so no need to change. And what is the molar mass is again asking. So your actual formula will be density is equal to mp over RT, but your question is here m. So m will be equal to molar mass will be equal to density RT upon P. Density is 3.38, R is 0.0821 multiplied by temperature is 313 and pressure is 1.97. So is equal to 44.0. By calculator it will be 44.08. When you make it round, it will become 44.1. Then give the unit gram per mole because this is molar mass. So these are the two problems for the calculation of density and the molar mass.